The iOS App Store is full of password managers that all promise to keep you safe, but when you actually test them, half of them struggle to sync, some forget your Face ID settings, and a few just feel like they were designed in 2015. Let's start with one that topped almost every test we ran. If you want something that feels like it was actually built for iOS, 1Password is it. It nails the basics, adds serious security tools, and somehow still feels easy to use. Face ID unlocks your vault instantly, and Autofill works flawlessly across Safari and third-party apps. It even connects with your Apple Watch, so you can check one-time passwords right from your wrist. The app's clean design makes it feel lightweight, but under the hood, it's packed with features that most managers don't even attempt. Travel mode lets you hide sensitive vaults when you're crossing borders, Watchtower monitors for weak or breached passwords, and if you like to stay organized, you can build separate vaults for work, family, or personal logins. All of them syncing smoothly between your iPhone, Mac, and even non-Apple devices. You also get practical extras like email masking through Fastmail, privacy cards for US users that shield your real payment info, and full passkey supports so you can sign in without typing anything at all. The only real limitation is that there's no traditional emergency access feature, but you can create a digital emergency kit to share with someone you trust. All right, next up is Dashlane, the all-in-one powerhouse. Dashlane is for anyone who wants everything in one place, stuff like passwords, dark web alerts, and even a built-in VPN. The iOS app feels premium from the moment you open it. Autofill works perfectly in Safari and across apps, and setup takes less than a minute. Face ID unlocks your vault instantly, and Dashlane even supports passkeys, so you can log in without ever typing a password. It also comes with dark web monitoring to check if your credentials show up in any breaches, phishing alerts to warn you about sketchy links, and password health reports that give you an easy-to-understand security score. And if you're juggling multiple accounts or family members, Dashlane's password sharing is unlimited even on lower tiered plans. The built-in VPN powered by Hotspot Shield is surprisingly fast and is perfect for securing public Wi-Fi on the go. It syncs across all devices, supports Apple Watch for viewing two-factor authentication codes, and integrates smoothly into the iOS ecosystem. Dashlane definitely isn't the cheapest option, but you do get what you pay for: speed, polish, and an app that feels like a security dashboard for your entire digital life. Okay, so which one should you actually use? Well, after testing all of them, here's our quick takeaway. If you want the best overall experience on iPhone or iPad, 1Password is the clear winner. It feels native to iOS, runs flawlessly, and gives you more control and security features than anything Apple offers. Dashlane is the premium pick. It's the only one here with a built-in VPN, plus great phishing alerts and security reports for users who want everything in one app. Each of these apps keeps your data encrypted, supports Face ID, and syncs smoothly across Apple devices. The real difference is what you need: simplicity, privacy, or all-out power. We've linked to all of the password managers that we talked about in today's video down in the description box below, so definitely check those out. And as always, thank you so much for watching Safety Detectives. Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next video.